All right, making the night a lot more glittery, a lot more special is of course here. Oh, Rishi Rautela. Rishi, thank you so much for your time. You look fabulous. I mean, what a form-fitting, amazing gown that you're wearing. Who are you wearing tonight?
I'm wearing this really amazing Albanian designer. Her name is Merita Merja. She's from Albania. So yeah, it's her creation.
Right, right. In fact, I saw you coming out of the airport and, you were heading to the car. Even then, you were greeting people. You were like, being your genuine self. So there's never a day, when you feel exhausted or, you really want to be yourself. You just want to be there for people and, spread love and cheer.
I think because the kind of love and appreciation also I've received from my people, my loved ones, my fans throughout the years has been truly special. So I think this is really a very tiny bit which I can do from my side.
Right. And IFA Utsavam 2024, what is one thing that you're really looking forward to?
I've had this really amazing, fortune to work within a span of 11 months. I had this great fortune of working with Chiranjeevi Garu in Volthar Viraya, Pavan Kalyan Garu in Bro, and then I'm working as a lead actress with the Balakrishna Garu in a upcoming movie called NBK 109. And apart from that, yes, with Sai Dharam Tej and Ramputi Nanin, Skanda, Akhilaki Nani. So, I've really enjoyed my experience in South Indian cinema, and I think tonight is a night where we all celebrate the rich and very diverse culture of South Indian cinema. So we all are here to celebrate the night.
If I had to ask you, what's that one word that beautifully describes Chiranjeevi as a person, as an actor, what would that be?
Oh my God, I think one word is not enough. But I would say, because meaning of his name means, infinite. So maybe like, infinity, like infinite.
And for the rest of the actors, let's start with Balakrishna.
I would say, I think again, very, very down to earth, humble. Yeah.
And, Akineni, how's the experience been with him?
It's been really great. I mean, he's very, very young and dynamic, so very nice experience.
So are you saying that, southern industry is comparatively more embracing than maybe, the Hindi film industry where you see a lot of biases, all of that?
You mean like embracive?
Yes. More inclusive and more embracive in that sense?
I mean, like both of them are, because while we're working on a movie set, we all have to come together and respect each other. I think that's the key, very important part of a filmmaking process. So I think both the industries are. Without that, it's not possible to make a movie.
Right. We're talking about movies. How can we not talk about what's happening on the digital platform? What are those 5 recommendations that you would like to share with all your fans? What should they be binge watching according to Rishi Rautela?
I think I haven't been able to follow it up a lot.
Whatever you've seen in the
Of course,
past.
they can watch my own series in Geo Studios, Inspector Vinash. They can see Dil Hai Grey. They can watch my upcoming projects.
And there's also Rekha's performance. Everybody is talking about that.
Yes.
How excited are you about
Very
that?
excited. I think really looking forward to meet her.
Have you met her?
Yes, before. Yes, yes.
And how's that experience been with Rekha? Because I think every meeting or the first meeting, every meeting just remains special.
Unforgettable.
Unforgettable?
Yes.
Thank you so much for speaking to us. Thank you.